Hey guys, in today's video, I will be reviewing the top 8 best robotic pool cleaner for saltwater pools. I made this list based on my personal experience, and I tried to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Winny Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Winny Robotic Pool Cleaner is a cutting-edge solution designed to simplify pool maintenance while delivering an exceptionally clean swimming experience. Ideal for both in-ground and above-ground pools, this robotic cleaner boasts advanced technology, powerful cleaning performance, and ease of use, making it a must-have for pool owners. Powered by a high-performance dual motor system, the Winny efficiently vacuums dirt, debris, and leaves from the pool floor and walls. Its active scrubbing brushes tackle stubborn grime and algae, ensuring a deep and thorough clean. The cleaner's intelligent navigation system maps the pool's layout and optimizes its cleaning path, reducing cleaning time while covering every corner. The Winny Robotic Pool Cleaner operates on an energy-efficient cleaning cycle, taking only 2 hours to complete a full clean. Its large top-loading filter basket makes debris removal quick and convenient, while the tangle-free swivel cable ensures smooth, uninterrupted operation. This robotic cleaner is designed for user convenience with simple plug-and-play functionality. No extra pumps or hoses required. The lightweight, compact design makes it easy to handle and store, while its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance in harsh pool environments. Whether for routine cleaning or tackling heavy debris after a storm, the Winny Robotic Pool Cleaner provides reliable, hassle-free performance. It keeps your pool crystal clear and ready for enjoyment, allowing you to spend less time cleaning and more time relaxing. Number 7 in my list is Pool Mr. Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Pool Mr. Robotic Pool Cleaner is a highly efficient and innovative device designed to make pool maintenance effortless and effective. Suitable for both in-ground and above-ground pools, this robotic cleaner combines advanced features, powerful cleaning capabilities, and user-friendly operation to deliver a sparkling clean pool. Equipped with a dual motor system, the Pool Mister offers strong suction power, effectively removing dirt, sand, leaves, and other debris from the pool floor and walls. Its high-traction rubber tracks ensure stability and smooth movement, even on slippery surfaces. The wide scrubbing brushes actively scrub away stubborn dirt and algae, providing a deep and thorough clean. The Pool Mist features intelligent navigation technology, allowing it to map the pool for optimized cleaning paths. This ensures efficient coverage and reduces cleaning time. Its large-capacity filter basket is easy to access and clean, making maintenance hassle-free. With a cordless design powered by a long-lasting rechargeable battery, the Pool Mister offers up to 2 hours of uninterrupted cleaning on a single charge. It also comes with self-parking technology, automatically stopping near the pool's edge when the cleaning cycle is complete or the battery runs low, making retrieval simple. Built with durable, UV-resistant materials, the Pool Mister Robotic Pool Cleaner is designed to withstand harsh pool environments. Whether you're tackling daily maintenance or a post-storm cleanup, the Pool Mister offers reliable performance, ensuring your pool stays clear, inviting, and ready for enjoyment. Number 6 in my list is Dolphin Proteus DX4 Automatic Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Dolphin Proteus DX4 Automatic Robotic Pool Cleaner is an advanced, user-friendly solution designed to keep your in-ground pool sparkling clean with minimal effort. Ideal for pools up to 50 feet, the DX4 combines powerful performance, energy efficiency, and innovative technology to deliver a pristine swimming experience. Equipped with dual active scrubbing brushes, the Proteus DX4 effortlessly removes tough dirt, algae, and debris from both the pool floor and walls. Its powerful suction system captures fine particles such as sand and silt, as well as larger debris like leaves and twigs. The result is a deep clean that leaves your pool spotless. The DX4 utilizes Clever Clean Smart Navigation, which scans and maps your pool's layout to create an efficient cleaning path. This technology ensures every inch of your pool is thoroughly cleaned in just 2 hours. Its top-loading filter system allows for easy access and maintenance, making debris removal simple and hassle-free. This robotic cleaner operates independently of your pool's pump or filter system, reducing energy costs and wear on your equipment. The tangle-free swivel cable ensures smooth movement and uninterrupted operation. With its lightweight design and easy plug-and-play setup, the Dolphin Proteus DX4 offers convenience and performance in one package. Whether for routine maintenance or a post-storm cleanup, this reliable robotic cleaner ensures your pool stays clear, inviting, and ready for use all season long. Number 5 in my list is Vidapool Solar-Powered Automatic Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Vidapool Solar-Powered Automatic Robotic Pool Cleaner is an eco-friendly and innovative clean solution designed to keep your pool sparkling clean with minimal effort. Harnessing solar energy, this robotic cleaner operates without the need for cords or batteries, offering a sustainable and hassle-free way to maintain your pool. Equipped with advanced solar panels, the Vidapool cleaner works efficiently under direct sunlight, continuously charging while in operation. Its dual motor system ensures powerful suction, effectively collecting debris such as leaves, dirt, and bugs from the pool surface. This cleaner is ideal for both in-ground and above-ground pools, ensuring a pristine swimming environment. The Vidapool cleaner features smart navigation technology, allowing it to cover the entire pool surface without missing a spot. Its anti-jam propellers prevent it from getting stuck near pool edges or drains, ensuring uninterrupted operation. The large debris collection tray reduces the need for frequent emptying, offering extended cleaning cycles. Constructed with UV-resistant and weatherproof materials, the Vidapool cleaner is built to withstand harsh pool environments, ensuring long-lasting performance. Maintenance is simple. Just remove the debris tray, rinse, and it's ready for the next use. The Vidapool solar-powered automatic robotic pool cleaner is perfect for pool owners seeking a convenient, energy-efficient, and environmentally friendly cleaning solution. With its sleek design, reliable performance, and easy operation, it keeps your pool clear and inviting, giving you more time to relax and enjoy the water. Number 4 in my list is Wybot C1 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Wybot C1 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner is a game changer for effortless pool maintenance, combining advanced technology, efficiency, and user-friendly design. Engineered for both in-ground and above-ground pools up to 860 square feet, this cleaner offers a thorough and hassle-free cleaning experience, making it ideal for pool owners seeking convenience and performance. The Wybot C1 is powered by a 5,000 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, delivering up to 90 minutes of runtime on a single charge. Its cordless design eliminates the risk of tangled cables, allowing it to move freely and cover the entire pool. Equipped with a dual motor system and bottom scrubbing brushes, the C1 effectively removes dirt, sand, and small debris from the pool floor. This robotic cleaner uses intelligent self-parking technology, automatically stopping near the pool edge when the cleaning cycle is complete or the battery is low, making retrieval easy. The top-loading filter basket is simple to remove and clean, ensuring minimal maintenance effort. Designed for ease of use, the Wybot C1 operates with a single-button start, requiring no additional setup or external pumps. Its lightweight and compact design make it easy to handle and store. With durable construction and energy-efficient operation, the Wybot C1 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner offers exceptional performance for a consistently clean pool. Whether for routine maintenance or post-storm cleanup, the Wybot C1 ensures your pool stays sparkling clean, giving you more time to relax and enjoy the water. Number 3 in my list is Dolphin Nautilus TC Automatic Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Dolphin Nautilus TC Automatic Robotic Pool Cleaner is an efficient and reliable solution for maintaining a spotless pool. Designed for in-ground pools up to 33 feet, this advanced robotic cleaner takes the hassle out of pool cleaning, allowing you to enjoy a crystal-clear swimming experience without manual labor. Equipped with dual scrubbing brushes, the Nautilus CC effectively